It's only 11 something, but why does it feel like it's 2 something? We just vibing, we just crazy, baby.
What's up, YouTube? It's Cralisa Victoria back with another Clean With Me video. If you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in. And if you've already been subscribed, then thanks for coming back. In this video, I'm just going to be doing a quick Clean With Me video. I'm literally just going to be doing everything below the cabinet. As far as cleaning right now, I'm picking up all my laundry off the floor that I just took off from my shower. I'm taking shoes and books out of the bathroom. When I take baths, I like to bring my books in the bathroom and I like to read while in the bathtub. And I just literally came out of my workout sneakers. I've came out of my clothing so that I could take that bath. So now I'm picking up those dirty laundry clothing and I'm going to put them in the laundry room. Now I'm going to also clean out the sink, get any water bottles, anything that needs to be trashed. I'm going to then empty my actual trash can. And once I empty the trash can, I like to go ahead, spray it out with 409 and add bleach and some hot steaming water and let my trash can soak. I do that once a week, at minimum once a week. So I'm going to continue to keep cleaning, but this is not going to be a full Clean With Me video. I will not be scrubbing the showers, nor the toilets, nor the sinks, or anything. This is simply just preparing to get everything off the floor in the trash can out of the bathroom and kind of making preparation for me to do a deep cleaning this week for my entire bathroom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. I would love to have you joining the team. But I will see all of you gorgeous people in the next video. Make sure you go watch all the videos that I posted this week. And make sure you drop comments in the comment section below and introduce yourself. Until next time, I'm going to see all of you gorgeous people. And you are gorgeous if no one ever tells you in the next video.
It's only 11 something, but why does it feel like it's 2